In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in Freshsales. A well-structured pipeline turns your sales process into a clear, repeatable path, so you can forecast accurately and keep every deal moving. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, sign in to Freshsales with an account that has admin permissions. In the app, head to the Settings or Admin area by clicking the gear icon. Only admins can create or manage pipelines, so make sure you're in the right spot before proceeding. Next, open Deals and Pipelines, then choose Pipelines. This is the control center for how your deals flow through each stage of your sales process. Click Add New Pipeline, or use the plus button if you see that. You're creating a new workflow, so give it a clear, unique name that your team will recognize instantly. Something like Enterprise Sales or SMB Deals. Short, descriptive names help everyone pick the right pipeline when they're adding deals. Now define your stages. Think about the major milestones your team uses, from initial contact to closing. Common examples include qualification, demo, and negotiation, followed by the outcomes won and lost. Use the plus button to add each stage, and keep names action-oriented so reps know what to do next. If the order doesn't feel right, simply drag and drop the stages to rearrange them until they match how your team actually sells. Won and lost are included by default, and you can rename them if your internal terminology is different. For each stage, you can assign a probability percentage. This is optional, but it powers weighted forecasting. Freshsales multiplies the deal value by the probability of the current stage, so you get a realistic view of potential revenue. For example, qualification might be 20%, while negotiation could be 60 or more. Use numbers that reflect your historical conversion rates so your forecasts are trustworthy. You can also set a rotting age or other custom settings per stage. Rotting helps you spot deals that have sat too long without activity, so you can prioritize outreach before momentum fades. Choose thresholds that align with your typical sales cycle. Shorter for fast-moving deals, longer for enterprise timelines. When everything looks good, click Save to create your pipeline. That's it. Your pipeline is now ready to use, and you can start adding deals to it. If you ever need to refine stage names, probabilities, or rotting ages, come back to this pipeline and adjust as your process evolves.